Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anugamini Srivastav and welcome to my channel Happy Learning. The main motto of this channel, or you may say the main motto behind starting with this channel, was to solve different minor things that we come across while doing researches. So, my first topic for the day is the fears of research. The fears that a researcher come across in multiple phases of their research life. So let's begin. So the first issue, or you may say the first fear a researcher have even at the starting of their PhD or their doctoral dissertations and during that phase also is my topic right? Is it the right topic that I have selected? My friends have not selected in the area. Is it something questionable? Should I change it? Will I be able to publish in this area or not? Is my topic at all relevant to any of the field or any of the beneficiaries? Whether I'll be able to reach my dissertation or not? All these issues are very common when it comes to a research and a researcher. Now the next fear that a researcher come across is, will my paper get accepted? My friends' papers are getting selected. My colleagues got their paper selected in a high-profile journal. What will I do? Again, this moment of self-doubt comes in that whether my topic was correct. Should I change? Should I get something which is highly publishable? The third issue and the most important and the most common issue that people come across is my supervisor. Supervisor? So, well, I had a very good supervisor, but still many of us face issues with supervisor. Either the supervisor is not able to give much time, or supervisor makes you involved in so much admin work that you don't focus on your research work, or they are too much involved in your research work that you don't get much space to do your work. All these three fears are part and parcel of your research life. So if you have any of them, I must say you are on the right track. What you need to do is take out time for yourself. This is something which you need to do. PhD, research work, dissertation takes time. Accept this fact. But take out time for yourself as well. Do not involve yourself in multiple stress and thought processes at the same time, because a diverted mind will not always lead you to a good research work and research outcomes. So take out time for yourself. Go for a jogging, go for a running, go for swimming, go for sports, go for looking movies, check out TV series. Take out time for yourself. Think about yourself, why you are doing this thing, why you started your PhD. What motivated you to be a researcher? Keep thinking about this thing to make yourself motivated in the field. Talk to other people. People who are in this field have some or the other way common problems at their hand. Talk to them. Have good networking. Networking will not only help you to burst out your stress out of your way, but it will also enable you to make good friends. Good people around you will always make you feel good about yourself. It will always positively motivate you and raise your confidence in yourself and your decision to do your PhD. Next thing is, have confidence on your choice. The choice of doing a PhD, the choice of doing research work, the choice of taking a supervisor, a particular institute, a particular topic. Have confidence, because you have chosen it based on your own choice. So, have faith in yourself and your gut feeling. This will always lead you to a good way. Now the next thing and the most important thing that comes up and that can actually solve most of your issues, the major one which is discussed over here, is PhD and research is not a race. It's a one-man journey. So it's your own path. You need to develop and you need to solve your problems so that you can attain your final destination. Okay, do not compete with other people. It's not like any master's or bachelor's degree. You need to compete with yourself, improve yourself at every stage. You need to be a new version of yourself at every stage during research work. Okay, so don't just be, stressed out because you are not able to publish better, or you are not published it faster, you are not going to, getting your phases of PhD passed sooner. Okay, it takes time, and everyone takes different timings. There is no competition in this process of research. So just stay calm and cool, focus on your work, but just the thing is, focus on your deadlines so that you keep yourself motivated as well. And finally, supervisors are just there to guide you. They're just here to let you identify whether you are on the right track or not. But they're not there to spoon feed you. Okay, so they are there to supervise you. If in case by any reason they are not able to give you time, talk to your co-researchers. Let them understand your issues and talk to other people in the area. It's your responsibility to complete a degree with guidance from your supervisor. It's not supervisor's responsibility to get you a degree. Okay, so complete your degree with your own speed, with high level of confidence, and remembering that you need to be a newer version of yourself when you will get the degree from the day when you joined it. So goodbye for now. We'll meet in the next video. If there are any other issue you want me to discuss in my video, let me know.